Guys, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of our newest videos.
Hey guys, this is FuroCubing and we are back with the review of this GANS RSC. So, the GANS RSC, the full form is GANS Rubik's Speed Cube. It's a collab between Rubik's and GANS. So, we were pretty excited about this one. We actually ordered this, and without wasting any time, let's review this. Talking about the cube, its inner functioning, tensioning, and all the spring system has been done by GANS, and this cube has their GES, the GANS elasticity system, which is just superb. And look at this. This cube doesn't have any stickers. Instead, it has these tiles, these colored tiles with a premium matte finish. So it's actually a very nice feeling while you're holding this. Talking about the size, I feel it's slightly smaller than other cubes, but it's no doubt a tough competition. So if we talk about the functioning, let's look at the speed first. It's actually good. It doesn't get stuck anywhere, so no doubts about that. Look at this, it's just so smooth. It doesn't need any lubing. It's got a very nice movement, so that's why. And look at the corner cutting. It's actually okay, it's medium, but yeah, here is where it gets stuck. So I won't recommend this as a speed cube for competitions or tournaments, but it's a definitely nice cube to try. And if you're a learner, then definitely superb. Talking about the packaging of this cube, it comes in a plastic package like this, and this cube also had a plastic coating over this, which I actually removed and I discarded the plastic. So let's look at the box. It is the main name and everything. The QR code, which you can scan towards the world record as it's written. Here are all the details. The GES GANS code, definitely superb, really exciting, and other details, the links, and here it is the information about the tough tiles and the turns. So yeah, the packaging is actually pretty good, pretty premium, as to say about a 3x3. So yeah. So guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and recommend this video to all your friends who are planning to buy this GANS RSC or a cube similar to this. So we'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.